Good morning, fam. If your body feels stiff, your back aches, or your energy's still asleep, you're not alone. This isn't intensity, it's intentional. In just 5 gentle minutes, we'll release tension, reset your spine, and breathe new energy into your day. Let's hit the mat. Come down to your knees, sink your hips back towards your heels. Let your arms stretch out in front of you. Breathe. This stretch speaks directly to your nervous system. It says, you're safe, you're supported, you can let go now. I promise, if you carry stress in your back or hips, this will gently melt it away with time. Beginners, place a pillow under your chest. Advanced stretches, bring your knees wider for a deeper hip release. Did you know this pose mimics a fetal position, our first instinctive shape of rest? Challenge yourself to breathe even deeper for the next 5 seconds. Do you feel that shift in your breath? That's the nervous system starting to trust you again. That just calmed your spine. Now let's start opening the heart. Slide forward onto your belly, place your elbows under your shoulders, and gently lift your chest. Keep the hips grounded. We spend so much rounding forward. This gentle back bend is the antidote. I promise this will improve your posture and bring energy into your body without tension. Beginners, keep your elbows further out. Advanced stretches, engage your glutes to support your lower back. Here's a fun fact. This mild extension helps stimulate your digestion first thing in the morning. Take a big inhale. Now lift the chest 1 inch higher for 5 more seconds. Can you feel your breath expanding into your ribs? That's oxygen fueling your brain. That just awakened your spine. Now let's give your back some love. Sit tall, hug your right knee into your chest. Sit into the sit bones and let your spine elongate naturally. This isn't just a stretch, it's a conversation with your lower back. I promise your spine will feel taller, lighter, and more grounded after this. Beginners, support your foot on the ground. Advanced stretches, rock side to side gently. Sit tall, pull in just slightly deeper. 5 more seconds. Is your back sighing in relief yet? Now hug the left knee in. Notice, does this side feel tighter? One side is often holding the emotional or physical stress you haven't noticed yet. I promise, this simple move gives you back mobility that stress tries to steal. Squeeze gently, sit tall. 5 more seconds. Where do you feel the stress the most right now? That just soothed your spine. Now let's soften the hips. Bring the soles of your feet together. Let your knees fall open. Sit tall and gently lean forward from the hips. The hips are emotional vaults. You'd be surprised how much they're holding on to until you give them permission to let go. I promise this will create more freedom in your lower back, your walks, and even how you sit at your desk. Beginners, sit on a pillow for more ease. Advanced stretches, use elbows to gently press down the thighs. Studies show open hips can improve overall posture and reduce anxiety levels. Keep that in mind. Just 5 more seconds. What would it feel like to let go just a little more here? That just released your hips. Now let's melt it all down through the hamstrings. Slowly rise to stand, feet hip width apart. Soften the knees and fold forward, letting the head and arms hang. This is your full body exhale. Your nervous system, your spine, your legs, all decompressing in one moment. I promise this will reduce back tension, calm your mind, and help your legs feel lighter. Beginners, keep the knees bent. Advanced switches, straighten the legs and deepen the fold. Your hamstrings are connected to your hips and lower back. This stretch helps all three at once. Let your head hang heavier for 5 more seconds. Can you feel the tension drain out through your fingertips? You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints. It lives in your mind. It shows up in your habits. It drains your energy. Even when you sleep for 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A Bible-based nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. If you've been running on empty, this is how you come back stronger. Tap the link in the description or pinned comment to start your free 3-day reset now, because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts.